Hello my friend, welcome to this video. Today I will talk about type of shapes in Substance Designer. That this help us to create anything in Substance Designer. I start with shape. When you press space and type here we have a properties. Tiling is the amount of tiling I will show you. This is a pattern and you can change pattern from here. And here we can scale the shape. This is uniform scale and this is non-uniform scale. Decrease, and this is tiling. Okay. And now uniform scale can adjust now uniform scale, and you can rotate. The next shape is polygon. You can adjust side, amount of side. Okay. This is scale and explode. It separate slice. The separate slice, you can adjust size of this slice. And you can rotate. And you can generate gradient. And you can invert. So, and the next is polygon. Tiling again. Sides again. Scale, rotation. Here, curve, gradient, and invert gradient. You can control this gradient, or you can adjust this curve. This is for profile. Adjust gradient contrast and invert. See? The next is a star and a star burst. You can just control the scale and star burst, amount of branch, blur amount. You can random branches. You can control size of branches and you can tile. The next is strips. Branches, double click. Strips and shift is for adding strips. Shift and this align, this is pivot of shift in the center or in the edge. The next is cube. You can control your cube with this rotation, scale, non-uniform scale, and whole scale. Shape, mesh 1, mesh 2, and the weave 1 and weave 2 are ready shapes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment.